thank you po. Yeah, drink water talaga ako nito kasi nangangate na to. Thank you. Ha? Si Vivory? Hello po! Hello po, Ate Vivory! Ate Vivory! Hello po! Paano ba makita ang pangalan dito? Hala ka, Ate Vivory. Hope to see you soon po, Ate Vivory, sa ABS po. Hello po, Ate Vivory. Andyan pa ba si Ate Vivory? Ang fave song ko, I think, syempre, lalayo pa ba ako sa kanta na ginawa namin? Ginawa ko din. Saan mo makikita si Ate Vivory? Hindi ko siya makita eh. Hindi ko alam kung nanonood pa si Ate Vivory. I don't know what you do. I fell in love with, I fell in love. Ay, nagbigay siya ng gift. Hello, thank you, Ate Vivory. Sana makasama po kita. At maging friend. Favorite. Ano ba? Favorite? Fave ko na, na pet. Beagle. Talagang, oh my G. Beagle is the best. Hello po. Salamat po sa pag-send ng mga gift. Yes po, Bisaya po ako. Ang mall show ng Jensen 29. And sa KCC Coronadal 28. Happy birthday, Lance! I don't know what you do. I fell in love with you. I fell in love with you. Salamat. 1, 2, 3. All that I know is mirrors inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me. Hit different, hit different, hit different, hit different, hit different. Oh yeah, hit different. Sa hindi inaasahang tatabo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nagdugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubunyagan ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Ba't di pa patulan ang pagsuyong na kulang? Tayong umaasan, hilag at kanluran. Ikaw ang hantungan at bilang talungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. I'd like to say say we gave it a try. And all of my life, maybe we just went right, but that's a lie. That's a lie, oh, and we can deny it as much as we want. But in time, our feelings will show. Cause sooner or later, we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you want me. Hello, Ate Divine Grace. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pa-flowers. The way I wanted you, maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart, but right here in each other's arms, that we almost knew what love was. Cause almost is never enough. Sige, sample daw ng ng dependent. 1, 2, 3, go. You gonna do it without me. Baby, pick up your feet, stop depending on me. You can do it by yourself. Just go rely on someone else. It's time for me to free myself without you with me. Love is like a riddle. Love for me is in the middle. Hello po, Ate Divine. Ay, grabe, magbigay ng gift. Maraming salamat po. Actually, ang dependent, hindi pa po namin natapos. But, promise na madami pong makaka-relate sa song na dependent, lalong-lalo na po sa crazy, sa mga may karelasyon, ganon. So, abang-abangan nyo na lang mga next na magaganap. Iso-surprise ko na lang kayo sa susunod. Sige. Ting, ning. Ting, ting. I used to think that I wasn't fun enough, and I used to think that I wasn't fun, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. But I don't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games, what this all about. And I can't believe you hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. But I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love, never know what I was missing, but I know once we start kissing, I found love. Never know what I was missing, but I know once we start kissing. Tapos na. Tut 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 tut. Lahat tayo'y mayroong pagkakaiba. Sa mata pa lang ay makikita na iba't ibang kagustuhan, ngunit isang patutunguhan. Gabay at pagmamahal ang hanap mo, pagbibigay ng halaga sa iyo, nais mong ipakilala. sino ka man talaga, Pinoy, ikaw Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Iba't ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Pag malaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Teng neng 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 neng, ing anak rag yung kinabuhi. Dapat na kang masanay, wala rin mahitabo kung perming makisabay. Pag ilalim ka ugalingon, bisag ko sa mahitabo ni mo, ang pirmi mo, hunaon, kayang mabuhay. Inay, ikaw ay Pinoy, ipakita sa mundo. So guys, it's time for me to leave. To leave. And thank you so much sa mga nagbigay kay Mami Divine Grace at saka kay Ate Jello Marie. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And hope to see you soon kay Tin. Maraming salamat kay Zach Lavain. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. I love you so much. Maraming salamat po, and sana magkita na tayo. Hope to see you soon. And I miss you, and salamat sa mga nanood ng aking live. Let's live mamaya na lang. And magchikahan tayo, and marami tayong mga pag-uusapan about life, about how to grow, how to, alam mo yun, i-fix yung character development mo, lalo na ay galing ako sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, and I just want to share with you all, guys. So, hope to see you soon, guys. Bye! Tapos, tsaka mamaya may session para sa aking mga fans dito sa TikTok, and gusto kong pag-usapan natin paano mag-character development, how to prevent some mga negative, and I just want to share you my positive reactions of everything na mga nangyayari, and sana mabigyan ko kayo ng ma-influence ko kayo by saying this to you guys, na dapat focus lang and don't stop to reach your dreams, mga ganon. So maya na natin yung pag-usapan. So I will talk to you later, and sana naman mamaya may makuha kayo sa akin session. Maraming salamat po sa panunood ng session with Colette. So I love you guys. Siguro mga 9 ganon or 8, depende. So bye bye guys.